Alright, y'all. Here I am in job number 2. Doing it up for you. Today, I'm going to teach y'all how to wash a parking lot. Watch and learn. I've already did this one. This panel right here. Power washer setup. Nice beautiful day. And I'm power wash. It's nice. This thing was so dirty. I'm showing y'all how to do this. How you start out, you hook the power washer up, get it all going, hook it up to the big hose. We got two 150-foot hoses hooked up together, and then we got the 2 power wash hoses hooked up. We got this awesome floor sweeper right here. We had to put acid on here, a bunch of rust remover. This is about the 3rd, 4th time we're hitting it. We're trying to take out all this orange stuff off the concrete. So hopefully this will be the last time. We're going to throw down a little bit more rust remover and hit it one more time. And hopefully it's done. I'll teach y'all how to power wash. Because one of these days I'm not going to be around for y'all to hire me. So I'm going to teach y'all before I go. What you do it by the panel. See, I started it out with the first panel. I'm on the second panel. Now I'm going to move up right here. I'm going towards the drain. Shoot all the water in the drain. And then what I do is I go straight at first. I go forward. And then I go back on the same line. And then after I hit all the straight lines forward and back, then I hit it side to side and I crisscross it. So I take off the most dirt as possible. And then I wash the water away as I go. I'll switch the tip out to my whirly-bird tip, and then I'll shoot all the water towards the drain over here. And hopefully job done after that. This is what I do on my days off. I'll come all the way out to Northside Houston to my friend with his business to get me. That's how you do it. It's hard trying to power wash with one hand and hold the phone with the other. One of these days I'm gonna get a GoPro. I could just like wear it on top of my head or something. Y'all can watch me all the time. Like I ain't got nothing better to do. I for sure don't. I think I might as well. I got both my headphones in. I can't even hear what I'm saying, but I know what I'm saying. And the pressure washer's loud. I don't even know if y'all can hear what I'm saying, or if y'all care. But if you want to learn how to pressure wash, man, if you want to learn how to get some shit done, hit up your boy. I'll run you through there. We go make some money. And whenever I get my own business going one day, I'm gonna make some more money. I will hire anybody. I pay $10 an hour starting out. That's what I make right now. So if y'all show me y'all work more than $10 an hour, we can talk about it. We don't even talk about it. I'll just come with it. Y'all come with it. See, right now, I'm getting here on this, see on this line, that means I'm done with this panel right here. As soon as I get this line right here, and I come back with it, that's when I'm gonna start hitting it sideways. And then when you hit it sideways, that's when it really gets super clean. You don't even know. Watch this. See, y'all all the way here to the line. So get your hose out the way. See that? I'm teaching y'all some shit. I'm about to hit a big line. I didn't hit sideways in the first one. I'm letting y'all on the tricks of the trade right here. You don't even know. The boy be doing it up, one-handed. I ain't doing no hands. I do this shit in my sleep. Ooh, look at this, getting all clean. I'm stuck. Ooh, look at that. So fresh and so clean. I don't even know about none of that. So y'all need to stuff power wash. That's what the boy knows. Car detailed. Need some landscaping done. See, I can build a house for you. The bother, stuff. Fun, that's good. Build a fence. We're down to do everything. The right place. In her. So good. I feel my actual fuel and my monster. I'm gonna go because I gotta finish this. Y'all have a good day, y'all. Thanks for watching Big Daddy. Have a good day.